येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। So we are now at Abhyasa number 19. Very interesting Abhyasa uh, because of two reasons. Uh, Firstly, we now get into a certain class of sandhis, which is which will be important for understanding different verses or sentences. So basically, both poetry and prose uses this sandhi very frequently. We will look at the yana sandhi, and apart from that, we will also look at some new words. So what are the new words? I will just say. Kash are the Sangya Shabdas. So Rajan is Raja, Murdhan is is Sir, Takshan is Badhai, Kha Vridh is or Vrit is Hona, Iksh is Dekhana, Bhash is Kahana, Kurd is Kudna, Yat is Yatna Karna, Ram is Lagna, रमण करना, वंद इस वंदना करना, शिक्षा इस सीखना, कंप इस कांपना, पराय और अय, परा जोड़ अय तो पलाय बनता है, पलाय इज फॉर भागना, सो वी नो पलायन राइट। चेष्ट इस चेष्टा करना, आलंब इस आलंबन या सहारा लेना, ध्वंस इस नष्ट होना, ग अन्यथा नहीं तो, इसे अन्यथा राइट, नहीं तो ऐसा हो जाएगा वैसा हो जाएगा एंड सो ऑन। शीघ्रम इस शीघ्र, सहसा इस एकदम, किंचित इस कुछ। सो राजन शब्द के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो, शब्द नंबर 13। सो लेट अस गो देयर। सो राजन से लेके तक्षण तक के जो शब्द हैं उनका रूप एक समान चलेगा। सो शब्द नंबर 13। राजन, सो राजा, राजानौ, राजानः, like that. So can you read this, Devakar ji? Raja, Rajanau, Rajanah. And also tell me what is the Tatparya? That is, what is the meaning for all of these?
ओके। राजा
Hmm.
अर्थात एक राजा,
Hmm.
राजा नौ अर्थात दो राजा, राजानह अर्थात तीन राजा, दो तीन या तीन से अधिक राजा,
Hmm.
राजानम अर्थात राजा को, राजा नौ अर्थात दो राजाओं को, राज्ञ अर्थात
Hmm.
बहुत सारे राजाओं को, राज्ञा अर्थात एक राजा द्वारा, राज्यभ्याम अर्थात दो राजाओं द्वारा, राजभी अर्थात बहुत सारे राजाओं द्वारा, राज्ञे अर्थात एक राजा के लिए, राजभ्याम अर्थात दो राजाओं के लिए, राजभ्य अर्थात बहुत सारे राजाओं के लिए, राज्ञ अर्थात एक राजा से, राजभ्याम अर्थात दो राजाओं से, राजभ्य अर्थात बहुत सारे राजाओं से, राज्ञ अर्थात एक राजा का या एक राजा के, राज्ञो अर्थात दो राजाओं का, और राज्ञाम अर्थात बहुत सारे राजाओं का, राज्ञी या राजनी अर्थात एक राजा पर, राज्ञो अर्थात दो राजाओं पर, और राजसु अर्थात बहुत सारे राजाओं में या बहुत सारे राजाओं पर। फिर हे राजन, हे राजनों और हे राजाना।
Hmm. Correct. So there is this word that comes in Samasa. We will see in Shashti Tatpurusha. Rajnyah Purusha और राजा का जो व्यक्ति है उसको भी से राजपुरुष, दैट वे इट विल कम. सो now raja is the word, and you see what is written here. Anant पुनलिंग.
अनंत. यस.
What is Anant? This thing, because इसका तो उच्चारण हो नहीं सकता. This
यस.
thing. So okay. Now we go into abhyasa number 19, right? Yeah, 19. Abhyasa number 19. And then it will work like this for other shabdas also. मूर्धन और तक्षण के रूप भी वैसे चलाओ. नाउ आत्मनेपदी में लोट लकार का रूप वैसे नहीं चलेगा. सो आत्मनेपदी लोट लकार will work in a different way. It's not like pathatu pathatam pathatu. It is like sevatam sevetam sevantam sevasva sevetham sevadvam sevai sevavahai sevamahai. So sevatam instead of pathatu, sevetam instead of pathatam, sevantam instead of pathantu, sevasva instead of patha, sevetham, patha, pathatam, pathata. So sevetham is for pathatam, sevadvam is for pathata, and then pathani, pathava, pathama, right? So sevai, sevavahai, sevamahai. So this is a bit different from uh, the other one. So this we have to use. Now वृत आदि के लट में ये रूप होते हैं. नॉट वर्तति, ए बोलना है. सो वर्तते वर्तेते वर्तन्ते, लाइक दिस. सो हाँ, सो बेसिकली लाइक आत्मनेपदी. सो वर्तते वर्तेते वर्तन्ते, वर्तसे वर्तेथे वर्तत्वे, लाइक दिस. So it will work like that. So these are all आत्मनेपदी रूपास basically. लोट में सेव के तुल्य इनके रूप चलाओ. That is fine. अभ्यास 8 और 9 में दिए तृतीया के नियमों का पुनः अभ्यास करो. लेट अस जस्ट सी दिस वंस. अभ्यास 8 और 9 में दिए जो तृतीया के रूप हैं उनका अभ्यास कर लो. We did not do it for द्वितीया, but let us see what are the niyamas. At least let us deep dive once. Not deep dive, but it's just revise what is there. So अभ्यास 8, right? So कर्तृकरणयोस् तृतीया. करण कारक में तृतीया होती है और कर्मवाच्य या भाववाच्य में कर्ता में. सो कंदुकेन क्रीडति, बॉल के साथ खेलता है, प्लेस विद द बॉल. रामेण भोजतम भोजनम खादितम, राम के द्वारा भोजन खाया गया. दिस इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम राम भोजन खाता है. राम भोजनम खादति, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. दिस बट दैट इज ऑन एक्टिव वॉइस. दिस इज इन पैसिव वॉइस. सो द भोजन, द फूड वॉज ईटन बाई और थ्रू रामा. सो रामेण भोजनम खादितम. Bhojanam is the Visheshana, is the Visheshya. And what happened to the Bhojanam? It was eaten. So Khaditam is the Visheshana. So this is the Kartrivachya or this is the Karmavachya or the Bhavvachya. So Kartrivachya is what? Kartrivachya is active voice. Ramah Bhojanam Khadati or Ramena Bhojanam Khaditam. Now what extra thing that will happen in Bhavvachya is that in Bhavvachya, this karma karaka bhojanam will be not there. So Ramena Khaditam, something like this will come. But in Bhavvachya, there are only a certain type of dhatus that can be used in Bhavvachya and Kartrivachya and Karmavachya. We will see that in much more detail in the second volume of the book. But for the time being, let us be very clear that Karmavachya at least is passive voice, Kartrivachya is active voice. Now, saha yukte pradhane, that is saha sardham samam sakam, whenever they are there. So, with whom you are there, that is, it could be friends, it could be brother, sister, etc. So, you will say, for them it will be tritiya. So, पिता के साथ घर जाता है तो जनकेन सह और पित्रा सह सार्धम साकम समम वा. What is va? Athava. So basically they are just showing that any of these words you could use and you would still have janakena or tritiya vibhakti. Now kim karyam अर्थः प्रयोजनम, इनके लिए भी तृतीया. दुर्जनेन पुत्रेण किम. सो दुर्जनेन पुत्रेण किम, तो दुर्जन पुत्र से क्या लाभ होगा. तो उसके लिए यहाँ पे जिसके जिसका प्रयोजन के अर्थ में है, उसके लिए यहाँ पे यू आर यूजिंग तृतीया. किम कार्यम, तो किम किम कार्यम, किम को अर्थ, किम प्रयोजनम. सो एनी ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, इफ यू से किम कार्य, I mean all of these things, if they are coming in the sense of a purpose, so you're asking the question, what is the purpose of a bad son? So for that they are saying, for that bad son you will have to use tritiya. Now in Sanskrit Vyakarana, both uh, the Visheshana and Visheshya have the same linga vibhakti and vachana. So durjanena putrena kim. Yeah, this is one thing. Now what was the next one? Tritiya again, right? So Tritiya mein, if you want to stop something, so whatever you want to stop, you have to use Tritiya on that. Alam vivadena, vivad mat karo. अलम हसितेन, हंसो मत. ये ना अंग विकार, जिस अंग में जिस बॉडी पार्ट में डिफेक्ट हो उस बॉडी पार्ट के लिए तृतीया. नेत्रेण कान, लाइक दैट. प्रकृति आदि क्रिया विशेषण शब्दों में तृतीया होती है. सो प्रकृतिया साधु, इसे ना स्वभाव से सरल है. ये लड़का स्वभाव से सरल है. ये शक्ल से बहुत सुंदर है, लाइक दिस वी से, राइट. सो for these kind of things we have to use tritiya. For whatever object via which you are claiming some goodness, badness, whatever, so we are saying shakal se acha hai, so we will say something like mukhen sundarah, or something like बुद्धिया चतुरः, बुद्धि से बहुत चतुर है. सो जिसके द्वारा यू आर क्लेमिंग सम गुणा फॉर दैट पर्सन, फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग, यू हैव टू यूज तृतीया. नाउ दैट्स द बेसिक आइडिया. सो ओके, अभ्यास 20, 19, राइट, 19. So Sevatam we have seen, and we have looked at the revision also. Now an important Sandhi Sutra, Iko Yanachi, Iko Yanachi, E को य उ, सॉरी, इको य उ उ को व, र को र, र को ल हो जाता है यदि बाद में कोई स्वर हो. इको यण अची. So what does this mean? Very important to understand where this is coming from. But let me tell what is first happening, then we can go to the Ashtadhyayi aspect. Iko yanachi. Now E, E. So see, there is an E here, and this is a swara. So they are saying इस E को या हो जाएगा. तो प्र, so this is what? Let me break this. Okay. प्र ती. What is ती? ती is simply this, right? I hope this is correct. I mean, this is, you can relate to this, right?
Yes.
Now this E के बाद क्या है? A है, which is a swara. So E का
हम्म.
A बना. So E becomes A. Sorry, no. So E का ये नहीं, E का य बना. This
Yeah.
becomes य. तो त हलंत और य क्या बना? तिया. And this thing also, a halanta also. Plus A. सी देर सेइंग ई को यह हलंत होता है, राइट, विच इज वाई एम पुटिंग अ हलंत.
यस.
तो हलंत आया एंड देन प्लस ए, तो दिस बिकम्स तिए.
ये.
तिए, या तिए बन गया. So this is how we will work for all the others. सुधी उपास्य, दीर्घ ई है, बाद में ऊ है, ई है यहाँ पे है, ई का य बना, सो सुध य एंड ऊ, सुध्यु, सुध्युपास्य है. Like this, these words will come. Now, what is the Ashtadhyayi context? What is the Ashtadhyayi thing? Let us look at that. Me, done. इको यण यण ची. What is ik? Ik क्या है? In the Maheshwara Sutra, we were saying Ai Una. Let me go there directly then. Maheshwara Sutra, Shiva Sutrani. Look at this. Ai Un Real Rik, right? So
हम्म.
in this Ai Un Real Rik, इसमें से ई उ र ऋ इनको लेना है, अ को हटाना है, ण को हटाना है, अब ई से क हलंत तक जाना है. सो इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक, आई कैनॉट राइट हियर, बट द आइडिया इज दैट you basically write e and a ka halanta. So in that also, this ka halanta that is there, that you do not need to take, just take the in things inside, that is e u r lr, like that, that's all. And that becomes what? That is an indicator for all the other e's, like dirghai and hrasvai, dirghau and hrasvaur, r, I mean, sorry, r, r both, and lr, lr both. So it becomes a indicator for all of those dirgha versions also. So ik denotes all of those things, by the way. So what is being said? Ikah yan achi. Ik का यण हो जाता है बाद में यदि अच हो. व्हाट इज अच? अच इज स्वरा. वाई? अ ई ऊण रिल रिक ए ओ आई औच. सी, यहां से अगर शुरू करके अच तक जाए, रिमूव दीज वंस, ण क एक्सेट्रा, अ ई उ, and take the dirgha versions also, you will get all the swara varnas, right? सारे स्वर वर्ण आगे, अगर इसका दीर्घ भी ले रहे हैं तो, राइट?
यस.
ऑल द स्वर वर्णास आर देयर. सो अची, अच होने पे, अची सती, आई सेड राइट, सती होने पे, अगर कोई चीज हो तो उसके होने पे, किसी चीज के होने पे, उस चीज पे सप्तमी लगानी है. तो डू सप्तमी ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. सो that being present, so for that particular object you have to use saptami. So achi, ach hone pe, achi sati, ach hone pe, क्या हुआ? इक, इकह, इक का यण भवति, इक. So that is what is happening. Now let me go back to the sutra. इकह यण अचि संहितायाम, अगर पास में अच हो तो, संहिता इज क्लोजनेस. Now that is the artha. We haven't yet seen what samhita means technically. I mean, that will come when we look at Laghu Siddhanta, by the way. So anyway, that's good, and we can move on to the what? We can move on to the Mula Abhyasa now. Okay, yeah. So that is how this will work. So पितृ प्लस आ, यहाँ पे रकार है, उसका र बन गया. So it was like this. So if somebody says tr, three, three, that is basically equal to ta and r. Okay. Now a swara varna has come after this thing. So what will we do? This will become ra. So it becomes ta plus ir. This becomes equal to tra, but even this tra is very difficult to pronounce. And then a was there. So this and a, tra and a became tra, tra. So see, these many things are happening. Yeah. Okay. So this is what I wanted to convey. Now let us go to this Anuvada. Can you do the Anuvada for the first few words?
ओके। राजा राज्यम करोति, तो राजा राज्य करता है। राजानः राजानम पश्य। एक
Hmm.
राजानम राजानम पश्य, राजा को देखो। राज्ञा सह मंत्री वर्तते,
Hmm.
राज्ञा राजा द्वारा सह मंत्री वर्तते। राज्ञा सह राजा द्वारा सभी मंत्री बात करते हैं। राजा से सभी मंत्री बात करते हैं।
No, vartate is what? होते हैं, होना. Vrit is
हाँ,
होना, right? And saha, what is saha? Saha is के साथ, right?
साथ में।
तो tritiya, right? So,
हम्म।
so we have just seen, we have just revised the tritiya rule. Now, राज्ञः राज्ञाम कुरु
हम्म,
अन्यथा स कोपिष्यति. What does this mean?
अच्छा। राज्ञः राजाम कुरु।
Ragyam Kuru it's written, right? I
राज्ञाम, ओके, यस। राज्ञः राज्ञाम कुरु, ओके, यस, राज्ञाम इज हियर।
hmm.
राजा के लिए राजाओं, राज्ञः,
See, this is something. So
राज्ञः,
राज्ञः is राजा का राज्ञाम
यस,
राज आज्ञा जो है उसको राज्ञा कह रहे हैं यहाँ पे. तो राजा की राज्ञा को करो. राजा की आज्ञा को करो basically. So this part is actually
ओके,
I haven't yet seen something like Ragya. I think they're trying to say Agya over here because Ragyam is not a valid word. At least.
यस, राज्ञाम देन वुड बी षष्ठी बहुवचन अदरवाइज।
So so राजा की आज्ञा राजा राज्ञः आज्ञाम कुरु अन्यथा सह कोपिष्यति. उसको गुस्सा हो वो गुस्सा होगा.
ओके।
Well, what does this mean?
बालकस्य,
बालकस्य मूर्धनि फलम अपतत. What is
हम्म,
this lakara by the way?
अपतत इज recent past, which is load के next, just a minute. I knew the name, I'm forgetting this.
Lang lakara.
Lang laka, yes.
And
I,
Murdhni is the same as Saptami for Raja, which is Ragni. So सर पे फल गिरता है. बालक के सर पे फल गिरा.
okay. Um,
What is Takshan? Who is this Takshan guy? Takshan. What is
Mission is
Takshan?
पढ़ाई.
Badhai.
Yes.
So तक्षा कार्यम करोति, तो
Hmm.
बढ़ाई के द्वारा काम करता है. सो somebody is employing the बढ़ाई to do some work. तो तक्षा it becomes.
Hmm.
नाउ अत्र रामः वर्तते, स ईक्षते भाषते कूर्दते च. यहाँ
Hmm.
राम रहते हैं, वो देखते हैं, बोलते हैं, कूदते और कूदते हैं, एटसेट्रा.
Hmm.
सो
इक्षते इज देखना.
ईक्षते इज देखना, ईक्षते इज देखना, नॉट इच्छा.
Yes, yes.
हाँ. If somebody says प्रेक्षा, प्रेक्षा इज प्रकर्षेण ईक्षा, बहुत अच्छे से देखना, ऑब्जर्व करना, प्रेक्षा. इनफैक्ट यू कॉल द ऑडिटोरियम एज प्रेक्षागृह इन हिंदी.
Yes. Hmm.
बहुत अच्छे से देखा, प्रेक्षागृह. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड ऑडिटोरियम. बट इन इंग्लिश सी वी से ऑडिटोरियम और ऑडिटरी सेंसेस. वेयर डज दिस कम फ्रॉम? हियरिंग, right?
Hmm.
So
Yes.
their view is to do it that way. For us, preksha is dekhna, or to see, or maybe we can also take it as to perceive. Let me check. I mean, I will also check this once. So let us go to Ashtadhyayi once, huh? And then see what's exactly happening. Present something else. Ashtadhyayi. Need to go to Dhatu Patha. हाँ. ईक्ष दर्शने, टू सी, टू परसीव ऑल्सो वी कैन से. सो
Hmm.
परसीव इज लाइक, परसेप्शन में क्या है? परसेप्शन में देखना, सुनना,
Yeah.
स्पर्श करना, ये एवरीथिंग कम्स, ऑल द फाइव ज्ञानेन्द्रियस, राइट? सो
Yes.
which is why you can say that, yeah, a prekshagriha in that sense is a more vyapaka term. You're able to perceive things better. Prakarshena iksha, you're able to perceive things much better. And we say that, at least for cinema halls we say that, right? I mean, the experience of watching a 3D movie is better on in a hall rather than in a laptop. So we can say such things, right? So in that way, so that preksha happens for the 3D movie in the cinema hall, basically. Preksha. हाँ. Now, okay. Saputram Ikshatam. Where does this Ikshatam come? Where does this Ikshatam is coming from? It is coming from this Sevatam.
सेविताम.
हाँ, Sevatam is, तो वह पुत्र को देखे.
Hmm.
वचनम भाषताम, वह वचन को बोले, कूदे, चेष्टा करे, घूमे और घूमे, like that. In the same way, now we can do this at least. Do these three, actually, these three and four and five. So the ones that I've underlined, basically.
Hmm. राजा आ रहा है. So राजा आगच्छति.
Perfect. Yes.
राजा को नमस्कार करो. राजानम नमति. राजानम नमस्कार करो. राजानम नम.
Nama. Nama is correct. Or you can say also
नमस्कार करो.
namaskuru. Namaskuru is also a word. Or say namaskaram kuru. That is also
करो.
correct. Now, third one.
राजा के साथ सेनापति है. राजा के साथ राज्य सह सेना।
हम्म, सह है तो फिर यू हैव टू यूज तृतीया।
ओ यस राइट। राज्ञा सह सेनापति अस्ति।
हाँ, शिष्य के सिर पे फूल गिरा।
हम्म। शिष्य के सिर पर फूल गिरा। ओके। शिष्यस्य
वी हैव सीन द वर्ड फॉर दिस।
मूर्धन सिर पर। शिष्य मूर्धनि।
हाँ, मूर्धनी।
मूर्धनि फूल पुष्पम। पुष्पम गिरा।
द आंसर इज ऑन द बोर्ड, आई एम जस्ट मूविंग माई कर्सर।
ओके यस। अप पत गिरा अपतत।
हम्म।
यस। शिष्यस्य मूर्धनि पुष्पम अपतत।
व्हाट इज द लकारा? नाउ टेल।
लट लट लकार नहीं सॉरी लंग लकार।
लंग लकारा।
यस।
And what is the remote past tense that we are seeing in Ramodantam? What is that lakara?
लंग लकार।
Lit lakar. Lit.
लिट लकार सॉरी यस
Lit.
आई
Wait,
मिस्टेक
let me
इट।
write lit lit lakar.
लिट लकार ओके।
बढ़ई इधर आ रहा है।
तक बढ़ई इधर आ रहा है। कक्षा अत्र आगच्छति।
Perfect. Now we have to use one avyaya, right? So,
विद्या पढ़ो नहीं तो दुख होगा। विद
nahi to we have seen. What is nahi to? Nahi to is
अन्यथा।
anyatha, right? Now
हम्म,
say with what is this?
विद्याम पठ
हाँ,
अन्यथा दुखम भवति।
hoga. What is hoga? Which lakara?
लोट लकार।
Lot. It is in future, right? It will be lrit. Lrit
लिट
lakara.
लकार।
Lrit lakara. Yeah. So
यस यस।
lrit लगाएं और we will say दुखम भविष्यति.
भविष्यति। यस। दुखम भविष्यति।
संधि.
यदि अपि यद्यपि
कैसे हुआ?
ई का य हो जाएगा क्योंकि स्वर आया है ई के बाद।
हाँ, ई के बाद ई का यह हुआ एंड ओके फाइन. एंड व्हाट इज दिस?
पठति अत्र। तो पठत्यत पठत्यत्र।
हाँ, पठत्यत्र.
यस।
एंड व्हाट इज दिस?
पितृ प्लस ए। तो पितृ पितृ हो जाएगा।
पितृ. परफेक्ट. ओके, नाउ आई विल जस्ट डू दिस वन. धातृ जोड़ अंशः त, और यहाँ पर रि है उसका र है, तो धात्र धात्र और अंश धात्रंशः. एंड इस कर्तृ और अ. सो कर्तृ में रि का आ, रि का आ हो गया, तो कर्त्र. कर और आ है तो कर्त्रा. कर्त्रा बन जाएगा. एंड वी नो कर्त्रा इज इन फॉर कर्तृन शब्द. इट इज इन सॉरी कर्तृ शब्द. इट इज इन द तृतीया विभक्ति एक वचनम. कर्त्रा. कर्ता के द्वारा. शिष्यः. Oh, sorry, we have gone to the other abhyasa. Sorry. So we have practiced this abhyasa a little bit, and then we can move on to the 20th patha. But before that, we need to again go to Ramodantam. Let me change it to Ramodantam. We'll not do too many verses today. Let me see how many are there. I mean, that is also important. This is also not a very big Kanda. No, it's quite big, 28 that way, just 8 more extra verses. So quite big in that sense. I mean, this is a very small kavya, not more than maybe 200, 250 verses, but still, yeah. But you look at Valmiki Ramayana, Valmiki Ramayana is pretty big, right? Ramayana is, I think, 24,000 verses, and Srimad Bhagavatam is what, 18,000 verses, and Mahabharata is 1 lakh. So you can imagine what number of verses are there and how much time it would take if we go that way. So व्र अथ आरण्यकाण्डः व्रजन् वनेन काकुत्स्थो विराधं विधिचोदितं सदारानुजमात्मानं हरन्तम् अवधीत् तदा. Very interesting part has come now. Brajan, Gachan, Vrajat, so we say Vrajati or Gachati. Both mean the same thing. Vidhina Choditaha, Tam, Vidhi Choditam. What is this thing? Now, Vidhi is, we say Vidhi ka Vidhan, right? Vidhi ka Vidhan. So as directed by or as led by faith. So Vrajan, hmm. So what exactly is happening? Harantam avadhi tadha. Tadha. Viradham. So, yeah. So, as directed by his fate, he is moving Sadar Anuja. Sadar Anuja. What is this thing? दाराश्च अनुजश्च दारानुजाः दारानुजैः सह वर्तत इति सदारानुजः. That is tam. So this Rama, who was directed by, or who is, and where do we get the word Rama? Rama is the descendant of Kakutstha. That is why he is called Kakutstha. Kakutstha Rama. So he went to the Vana along with his wife and husband, sorry, wife and brother, and then he was led by his vidhi, his luck or whatever fate, and there he vidadham harantam avadhi tada. So this uh, Virada, who came as a threat to kill him and his wife and brother, he avadhi tada. He killed them. He killed him. Now what else did he do? Sharabhangashramam prapya स्वर्गतिं तस्य वीक्ष्य सः प्रतिजज्ञे राक्षसानां वधं मुनिभिरर्थितः. Or what is happening? He went to the ashrama of Sharabhanga and Vikshya Saha. What? Swargatim. He saw the Swarga Prapti of Sharabhanga, and there he promised for the Vadha, the destruction of the Rakshasas, after being requested so by the Munis, Munibhihi Arthitaha. तस्मात् गत्वा तस्मात् गत्वा सुतीक्ष्णं च प्रणम्यानेन पूजितः अगस्त्याश्रमं प्राप्य तं ननाम रघूत्तमः. तस्मात् गत्वा सुतीक्ष्णं च. What is happening? तस्मात् गत्वा सुतीक्ष्णं च. So then he went to Sutikshna, and there he was worshipped or respected, and he also bowed to Sutikshna, pranamya. Then he went to the ashrama of Agastya, Agasthyashramam prapya. He reached the ashrama of Agastya, and tam, to whom Agastyam, Nanama, to him Nanama is basically lit lakara, remote past. Nanama Raghuttamah, that is Rama, bowed to him. रामाय वैष्णवं चापं ऐन्द्रं तूणीयुगं तथा ब्राह्मं चास्त्रं च खड्गं च प्रददौ कुम्भसम्भवः. So Agastya was born from a pitcher, it is said. Therefore he is called Kumbhat Sambhavah Yasya Saha, Kumbha Sambhavah. That is, he is born from the pitcher, so he is called Agastya. So what happened? He gave all these astras, Tuni Yuga, quiver basically. So he gave that. He gave him uh, bows and arrows and other things. Belonging to whom? Belonging to Vaishnavam, belonging to Vishnu, and belonging to Indra, those kind of things, and also belonging to Brahmaji. All the astras that were belonging to Vaishnavam Chapam. So he gave the bows and arrows belonging to Vishnu. Sorry, he gave the bows and arrows belonging to Vishnu. He gave the tuni, that is the quivers, belonging to Indra, and the astras and khadgas belonging to Brahmaji, to Rama. Now what else? Okay, we can do up. Yeah, so four is good. We can move to the other parts later. But yeah, so this is where I would like to stop for today. This is quite long, and yeah, I mean, to give more context, even I need to go and look at the Valmiki Ramayana to be able to give some context and see what exactly is happening in the actual Ramayana. When I would also enjoy that. So I because Valmiki Ramayana I haven't read cover to cover, so I need to now go and read and enjoy these parts. So I will do that, because otherwise I'm just translating it, but I'm also not getting the right context, as in to be able to tell something what was happening in the background. So for this I need to go and see what is there, and then we can again come back on that. So with this I will uh, end today's patha. येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्.